Okay guys, just look at these. So here we have an uptrend, and when the uptrend is broken, we have a channel. And when the channel is broken, we have a retest and a downtrend. And when the downtrend is broken, we have a little uptrend to the resistance zone. And now we have a downtrend again. And when the uptrend is broken, we are looking for a retest on the uptrend so that we can continue with the uptrend, or break this downtrend so that we can continue with our downtrend. I want you to think about the market very keenly right now. Did you see those series of stages that we passed? Uptrend, channel, downtrend, breakout, downtrend, and now we are looking for an uptrend. Okay, we have a little uptrend over here. Now something to note, let's put a support zone over here. Right there, key support zone. It might be the next retracement for uptrend. Watch. Our downtrend has been broken. Look at this. It's a very clean chart, only using support and resistance lines and a few trend lines. I am on 15 seconds. And by the way, this was the perfect entry. Now we have our downtrend broken. Just continue watching. This is a downtrend channel. It has retraced at this point. Now, what are we looking for? We're looking for a retracement at this point or a breakout. Those two things, a retracement or a breakout. If you'd like to be more keen on watching these, you could just use a Fibonacci and it will tell you where the retracement will happen. We've broken the 23.6% zone. Now, we wait for a candle to close above. It did not close above. Now, we go down since our retracement will not be possible. Now, our Fibonacci has been broken at 0% again, so this Fibonacci now is useless to us. We've broken the lower channel of the downtrend. Expect us to go down.